Why forests are important. Forests are very special and important for many reasons. Let's learn why. Home for animals. Forests are home to many animals, like birds, monkeys, and tigers. They provide shelter and food for these creatures. Clean air. Trees and forests help clean the air. They take in carbon dioxide, a gas we breathe out, and give out oxygen, a gas we need to breathe in. Preventing floods, trees, and plants in forests help soak up rainwater, which prevents floods. Their roots hold the soil together, stopping it from washing away. Medicine and food. Many plants and forests can be used to make medicine and food. People all over the world rely on forests for these resources. Cooling the earth. Forests help cool the earth by providing shade and releasing water vapor into the air. This helps keep our planet's climate stable. Beauty and fun. Forests are beautiful places where people can hike, camp, and enjoy nature. They give us a place to relax and have fun. If all forests were gone, many animals would lose their homes. The air would be dirtier, making it harder for us to breathe. There would be more floods and soil erosion. We would lose important sources of medicine and food. The Earth's temperature could rise, leading to more climate problems. Forests are like the lungs of our planet. We need to take care of them so they can continue to take care of us.